What's going on, guys? I'm Gabe Ocean with NiceKicks.com, the Unboxed King, here with another unboxing for you guys to check out. Last week I showed you two bold basketball shoes from Adidas designed for Dame Lillard, but given the juice of Powerade to propel prep dunkers. Today, we stick with the same brand, but skate in a different direction. Appealing to the 90s kid in me, Adidas Skateboarding sent a collaborative sneaker that's clean in composition, but inspired by dirty language. Yes, sir, it's pulling from perhaps the most polarizing MTV show ever, a cartoon that spoke for a generation and perhaps paved the way for everything to follow. That said, I present to you the Beavis and Butthead Adidas Skateboarding Matchcourt Hi RX. Enough intro, let's get into it. Slacking off on their couch or whack it in Hank Hill's tool shed, this skate shoe was inspired by the underachievers who hated work and ripped on videos.
This sucks.
Yeah, it really sucks.
Carrying the faces of Beavis and Butthead on the respective heels of each upper, white canvas makes these perfect for getting dirty while street skating or raising hell in your neighborhood, while the vulcanized blue outsole makes these perfect for board feel or running from the cops. Collaborative branding kicks ass on the shoe's tongue and its rear, while all-over print raises hell on the lining. These dropped last month at select Adidas skateboarding accounts, and if you're lucky, you can still grab a pair or some of the gear of the capsule collection. And just like that, once again, I'm Gabe Ocean with NiceKicks.com telling you to like, share, and subscribe, and keep it locked to Nice Kicks for more. Thanks for watching.